there's one other special effect I want to show you with keyframes. Um, so right now these keyframes, if I zoom in, it just equals. It just means that this for this particular photo, right here, it's going to start at this position and scale, and it's going to slowly change itself over time to look like that. All right, that's the normal kind of framing, keyframing. Oh, by the way, this photo right up here still have the eyeball off, so I'm going to make sure I turn that back on so that it fades out and reveals that one. Okay, so this one, the next thing I want to show you has to do with the heartbeat. So let's find the heartbeat layer. This heartbeat that speeds up. So minus sign to see where that layer is. There it is. Put my playhead nearby there. And if you press LL, you'll see these heartbeats. So let's zoom in, equal symbol, like this. So for this particular photo, I'm going to make it go with the heartbeats, bum, 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 bum. I'm going to make it go big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small, like heartbeat. So, but I don't want it to go small, big, small, big. I just want it to go small, immediately change to big, immediately change to small, and big, so on. So here's how you do this. It's called hold keyframes. So I'm going to first go to the beginning of this. I'm going to make sure I see the audio layer, all the little beats. Select the photo that goes with it. It doesn't matter which photo it is. And press P for position and Shift S for scale. And jump to the beginning of it. I. Now turn on the stopwatches for both of those. Stopwatches for both of them. So it starts at that position. Okay, so then the next beat here, bum, 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 right? Something like that. I'm going to put my playhead where that thing is. So now I'm just going to scale it up quite a bit and reveal whatever I want to reveal at that point. So I'm actually going to drag on screen. So I just want to show that guy. Then the next heartbeat, I'm going to scale it back down and move it over. Or actually I'm going to right click and transform fit to comp. Okay. Then this one, move it over. Now what do I want to zoom in next? Maybe this pumpkin. So I'm going to zoom in and then move it so I see the pumpkin face. Maybe too big there. And then move my playhead to the next beat, heartbeat, and right click, transform fit to comp, and keep going. So the next heartbeat here, what do I want to zoom? So I'm going to zoom in again and maybe do a different pumpkin. This one here. Move to the next heartbeat, right click, transform, fit to comp, and just keep going. Zoom and reveal it, probably another bat, like so. Move my playhead and right click, fit to comp, transform, fit to comp, just keep going, and let's zoom in and just do the three pumpkins. Something like that. And last one, right click, fit to comp, transform, fit to comp. So now if you scrub your playhead, it's just going to zoom in and out, zoom in and out. We don't want the zooming. We want it to just immediately switch to the next photo. So that's what So these are diamond keyframes, and that means it's going to transition from one to the next. I don't want it to transition. I want it to switch immediately. So for this particular case, I'm going to select all of these keyframes. Either I click and drag a marquee, or I can just select those two layers, position and scale. So then I'm going to right click on one of them and choose toggle hold keyframe. So now you get this other kind of keyframe, which means when it goes from one to the other, it doesn't transform, it doesn't transition, it actually just holds it until the next keyframe, bam, it switches there, bam, it switches there, bam, it switches. So you get this hard, fast kind of thing that matches the beat of the heartbeat. So those are called toggle hold keyframes. So right click and choose toggle hold keyframe, and you'll get those.